In this video, we'll discuss Spark correlation using UnifyML SQL. We will explore the Spark correlation function using a UnifyML query and run it step by step. Now, let's see how to use the Spark correlation function with UnifyML SQL. The Spark correlation function measures the statistical relationship between two variables. Spark provides a built-in correlation function that computes this relationship internally. Specify the required input table and columns for which you want to calculate correlation. Apply a data cleaning method such as remove row to handle missing values. If there are null values, this method helps remove them. Additional parameters are available in UnifyML documentation. If you need to modify column data types, use the input data types parameter. There are two correlation methods in Spark, Pearson and Spearman. By default, the Pearson correlation is used. You can specify the required type based on your needs. Define the number of partitions and the column on which partitioning should be performed. There are four methods to clean the data. Remove row eliminates null values. Remove duplicates, remove outliers, and fill replace missing values with specific values. There are four methods to scale the data. Min-max scaler requires min and max values. Standard scaler, normalizer, and binarizer. If the data is already saved in the cache, you can use the input cache ID instead of specifying an input table. Define chunk sizes for data processing. Execute the correlation function using UnifyML. The query will run in the backend of the UnifyML server. The result of the Spark correlation function is a correlation matrix, showing the statistical relationship between different variables. For example, age-to-age correlation is 1, age-to-region has a correlation value, age-to-charges has a correlation value, region-to-region correlation is 1, region-to-charges has a correlation value, and charges-to-charges correlation is 1. This allows you to analyze correlations between any selected variables in your dataset. Thank you for watching this video.